In 1985, a visionary planted the seed of a financial legacy, Mr. Harjeet Singh Arora. A vision not just to serve, but to transform the way people experience finance. That's how the mastertrust journey began, a brand built on trust, innovation, and purpose. What started with handwritten trade notes and landline market updates has grown into a technology-led financial powerhouse. From one office to a strong presence across 22 states, we are growing, expanding, and making investing accessible to more people than ever before. We are not just keeping up with innovation, we are driving it. With Agnik, our next-gen trading platform, crafted for speed, simplicity, and power. It empowers both traders and investors to take smarter decisions faster. Technology drives the future, but it's trust and relationships that build it. From first-time traders to seasoned investors, we simplify, support, and stand by them at every step. Through street experts, seminars, webinars, and research-backed insights, we are building a financially literate India, one investor at a time. At mastertrust, growth begins from within. With focused upskilling programs, wellness initiatives, and a future-ready culture, we rebuilding a strong, agile, and empowered team. Recognition followed commitment. From NSDL Star Performer to SCOC BSE's Order of Merit, from MCX Regional Broker of the Year to a 3-time winner at ET Now Best BFSI Brands, the journey has been lined with accolades earned through trust and performance. And in November 2024, mastertrust reached a new milestone, listing on the National Stock Exchange. A moment of pride, growth, and a symbol of transparency. At mastertrust, our responsibility goes beyond business. From blood donation drives, blanket distribution, and community outreach to supporting education and well-being, we are committed to creating meaningful impact where it matters most. As the world transforms, so will we. With personalized wealth solutions and intelligent automation. 40 years of mastering trust, 40 years of mastering transformation, 40 years of mastering futures.